Injustice, oppression,
abusive power.
Abusive power.
It's none of my business.
It's not my business.
I don't know those people.
Not bothering me.
Not bothering me, even if they were.
Even if they were, I'm just a kid.
Cut me some slack here.
Cut me some slack here.
Sex slaves.
Sex slaves.
Widows,
Orphans.
bonded children.
Cops killing street kids.
Kidnapping.
Forced relocation.
What am I supposed to do about that?
You want me to
You
feel
want me
bad?
to feel bad? Fine.
Fine. I feel bad.
Look, it's halfway around the world.
I'm just a kid. If it's so important.
If it's so important, why haven't our parents fixed it already?
It's so important.
Why haven't our parents fixed it already?
I don't get it.
I don't get it. I mean, really?
I thought that was God's job.
I'm sympathetic and all, but really?
Really?
I don't see how any of that stuff is my business.
It's not my business.
Even if it were.
I'm just
I'm
a
just
kid.
a kid. I guess I said that already.
Look, I don't want to feel bad. I want to feel useful.
Useful.
I want to feel useful.
Give me something I can
Give
do.
me something I can do.
If there's something to be done, I'll do it.
If I thought I could actually make a difference.
If I thought I could actually make a difference,
If I really believe.
If I really believe God had a plan,
And it was me,
and it was me,
nothing.
nothing.
nothing could stop me.
Nothing could stop me.
Nothing.